Four Corners. Volcanoes. Lucy Floyd. Eruption. In 1883, on an island in Indonesia, a volcano called Krakatoa erupted. It produced one of the largest explosions ever recorded on Earth. The blast was heard almost 5,000 kilometers away. It covered nearby islands with up to 60 meters of ash. After the eruption ceased, only 1/3 of Krakatoa was left. Have you ever wondered what causes volcanoes like Krakatoa to explode? In this book, you will find out. You can also read about what causes volcanoes, how these fiery creations affect people, and how scientists study them. This picture shows what Krakatoa might have looked like when it erupted in 1883. The life of a volcano. The inside of the Earth is so hot that some of the solid rock melts to form hot, liquid rock called magma. A volcano is an opening in the Earth's outer shell, or crust, through which magma flows. The liquid magma also contains gases. Magma slowly rises towards the Earth's surface. It collects in an underground pool called a magma chamber. Magma can build up in a magma chamber for thousands of years. Inside a volcano. Magma. Hardened lava. Vent. Magma chamber. Inner core, outer core, mantle. Magma is melted rock that rises to the Earth's surface from the mantle. As the chamber fills, the magma presses harder and harder against the solid rock around it. Eventually, magma, gases and ash push through or blast a hole, called a vent, in the Earth's surface and erupt. The eruption may occur on a mountain, on flat land, or under the sea. Once magma leaves the vent, it is called lava. As the hot lava cools, it hardens into rock. This rock can build up for hundreds of years and form a mountain. Sometimes islands are formed in this way. This lava is flowing from Kilauea Volcano, Big Island, Hawaii. A theory called plate tectonics explains how volcanoes form. Scientists believe that the Earth's crust is made up of huge sheets of rock called plates. The plates drift or slide slowly over partly melted rock. Volcanoes form at the edges, or boundaries, where two plates meet. Sometimes the plates bump into each other. One plate may then push under the other. Part of it may melt in the Earth's heat. At other times, the edges of the plates crumple up to form a mountain. In both cases, magma may be released. Earth's plates. Eurasian plate. North American plate. Eurasian plate. Pacific plate. African plate. Indo-Australian plate. South American plate. Antarctic plate. Map key. Ring of fire, plate boundary, volcano. The 7 largest plates carry whole continents and oceans. Many plates bump into each other around the Pacific Ocean in an area called the Ring of Fire. This is one of the largest volcano zones in the world. Plates can also move apart. This usually happens on the ocean floor. Magma then rises up between the plates. Sometimes this creates underwater mountain ranges. Not all volcanoes occur near the edges of a plate. A volcano may form above a hot spot, which is a source of great heat in the mantle, just below a plate. Plate movements. Plates colliding. Plates moving apart. The Galapagos Islands are volcanic islands which formed over a hot spot in the Pacific Ocean. Volcanoes erupt because pressure forces magma to the surface. How a volcano erupts depends on the amount of water vapor and other gases in the liquid rock. If there is very little gas, the eruption will be quiet. If there is a lot of gas, the eruption will be violent. It is like the difference between opening a bottle of juice and a bottle of soft drink. The juice does not have much gas in it.